In this lesson, I'll introduce the bonus content included with the course, the Ionic Widget Library. This library is compatible with Axure 10 and later versions and comes in two parts, v6 and v7. Ionic is an open-source framework designed for mobile and web development, widely used by developers around the world. On its official website, you can find more details. In the UI Components section, you'll see all the official components covering a variety of commonly used types. Clicking on any of them will give you detailed information. The Axure 11 widget library we're providing as a bonus is built to match the specifications from the official website, ensuring its accuracy. The library includes two folders, one for v6 Plus and one for v7. Inside each folder, you'll find a green replib file. This is the widget library file. To add it to your Axure libraries, right-click the file and select the Axure version you want to use it with. There's also another way to add the widget library. With Axure open, go to the Libraries panel and click Add Local Library. Then navigate to the file path and select the library file. It will load automatically. Once the library is loaded, you can easily drag and drop any widget onto the canvas or use the search feature to find specific widgets. Let's also open a v7 version of the widget library. Just like before, you can drag the widgets directly onto the canvas for use.